Today is Saturday, June 23rd. The time is 9:30 a.m. This is Memman101. This is the 2011 Panini Prime Signatures football break, break number 11. Good luck, everybody. First card, Bengals, Bo Scaife, serial numbered 118 out of 499. Next, Prime Proof, Reggie Bush, serial numbered 5 out of 25 for the Dolphins. '49ers, Michael Crabtree, autograph, serial number 9 out of 20. And the last card for the Cowboys, Ed Too Tall Jones, serial number 495 out of 499. Thank you, everybody, for bidding. Please check out my other eBay box breaks currently listed for football. I have another box of 2011 Panini Prime Signatures, also listed 2012 Bowman Signatures. If anyone is interested in baseball box breaks, I have 2011 Panini Limited and 2012 Topps Tier 1. If anyone's interested in hockey box breaks, I have the new 2011-2012 Titanium Hockey.